Good morning, everybody. After the vacation, today only I have taken your class, and Happy New Year to everybody. Last day, who is this? Who is telling that? Who is telling? Someone has cut. Let me see. Sheikh Firoz and Purbayon. Who is writing like this? Suzanne. Okay, let me see, beta. And a Happy New Year to everybody. And I think you are just well. So today I will start the chapter Make It Shorter. Make it shorter. Page number 111. Okay. Okay, beta. Last day I have completed the Mumbai musicians. Mumbai musicians, that also, you know that a question answer also I have completed. So today, page number, if you are having any problem, please write to me, okay? Page number 111, 111. Make it shorter. Susan, you are here, no, in the class, so please tell me if you are having any problem. Nihan, Susan, Firoz, if you are having any problem, please tell me. Okay, Susan, I will just tell in that office, okay. What happened? Susan, okay, I'll just report. Okay, no problem. You are Nihan Chaudhuri, Purbayan Mondal, Rithojit Ghosh, Samridho Mondal, Saptarshi Malik, Sreshta Ghosh, Sheikh Chand, Sheikh Firoz Haq, Snigdha Ghosh, Somagni De, Susan Parvin. Okay, no problem, beta. You are 12 in your class, so please look at the board and look at the book. One day, Akbar drew a line. Akbar drew a line on the floor and ordered, make this line shorter, but don't rub out any part of it. Okay, so without erasing it, he told, don't rub it. Okay, make it shorter. Another line. So here, one day Akbar drew a line on the floor, like this type of line. He's telling, I am just drawing on the board. Here they are telling that, roll number, what will you do to that roll number for, okay, no need. When you will come to school, that time you will know your roll number, okay beta? So please listen to me. One day Akbar drew a line on the floor and ordered, make this line shorter, but don't rub out any part of it. Next page. No one knew what to do. Each minister looked at the line and was puzzled. Okay. No one knew what to do. Each minister looked at the line and was puzzled. No one could think of any way to make it longer. And no one could think of how it could be made shorter without erasing it. Any way to make it longer. And also, no one could think how it could be made shorter without erasing it. Birbal started smiling. Birbal started smiling. When it was his turn, he went near the line. So when it was his turn, he went near line. Actually, this is the story of Akbar and Birbal. Birbal is also one of his ministers. And not only the minister, he is the member of his Akbar's court. Akbar is also having 9 gems in his court. So Birbal is one of the gems in his court. Gems means that is very valuable persons there. Okay. So that is, so Birbal is like this. So Birbal, what did Birbal do? Birbal started smiling. When it was his turn, he went near the line. So here one line they have given. Discuss with your partner what Birbal would do. So now what we can do and what he did, Birbal drew a longer line under the first one. He didn't touch the first line. Everyone in the court saw, he drew and said, that's true. Yes, Nehan, Birbal is intelligent, very much intelligent. And the first line is shorter now. What he did do? So he had drawn one longer line than first one. Longer line than first one. So no one can imagine like this. Actually, if you read the story, sometime you will get also, some book fair. Now this time, book fair you are not getting. Besides that also, you can get any shop also. So there you will, what you will do? Like this, you can read story. You can enjoy the story because sometimes this story is very funny. And also you can know some tricks of Birbal because he is very intelligent person. And after that, you will learn languages also. If you read Bengali book, Bengali language you can learn. And if you read English, that also you can. Because for me, Bengali and English, and for me means for me to you, you are same. Because you cannot write properly English and you cannot write properly Bengali. So any book if you read, that will be beneficial for you. So sometime you should read story books, okay? Like this type of Akbar and Birbal stories. Okay? So here, Snigdha, why are you sending all this type of? Because this question answer. Okay. So I think you have understood the story. So Birbal is there and Akbar. Here Birbal made his intelligence. Birbal drew one longer line under the shorter line. So he drew it without erasing the first one. If he has no intelligence, he could not do it. He has intelligence, so he had done it. So some difficult words, I am just telling that here. I think everybody you know. Besides that, if you don't know, please tell me. Okay. So here, rub, erase. These two words are in your book. Okay. Erase, E-R-A-S-E. You are using eraser in your class, and with the eraser you are rubbing your handwriting, bad work like this. Okay. Then puzzle, P-U-Z-Z-L-E. Puzzle means confused. Confuse. Okay. And next they have given the erase and rub, the same meaning like this. After that, any meaning, if you don't know, please tell me. Okay. Please tell me any meaning. So court where they have already sat, they used to sit and discuss with the matter. Okay. Next, I'll write the question answer. And after that, I will just tell page number 113, 113, one column is there. Short, shorter, bright, brighter. Court meaning. Okay, beta, court where court, it's a place where the king and and his minister used to sit and discuss some matters. Actually, this I have told the meaning that is in your book. Okay, but nowadays quote has another meaning. There some judgment is given. Judgment is given. Okay, that is nowadays we can tell that meaning. Okay, so court means that a place where king and his minister and his person used to sit and discuss some matters. Puzzle meaning Nihan I have already written confuse. C-O-N-F-U-S-E. Okay. Actually puzzle means riddle also. R-I-D-D-L-E. That also I can write R-I-D-D-L-E. Bengali we are telling dhada. Okay. Puzzle means riddle. R-I-D-D-L-E or confuse. C-O-N-F-U-S-E. I think Nihan, have you understood? Yes, riddle. So, some things. Now, here I am just telling that short, shorter, bright, brighter, dark, darker, and also that light, lighter, big, bigger, fast, faster. Why these are like this? Because here some comparisons are there. Okay, comparison means tulona. If I am telling that Susan is taller than Nihan, okay, and if I am telling that Nihan is very fast in writing, that is not comparison. But I can tell that Nihan is faster than Protushna. Okay. Okay, beta Susan, I have already understood. I will report in the school. Okay, beta? So, that is the comparison. That is the comparison. So, here, like this bright, brighter, the moon is brighter than star. Light, lighter. Your bag is lighter than me. Big, bigger. Fast, faster. That is the thing. Okay. So, first question I will write. What did Akbar order one day? What did Akbar order one day? Only question number 1. What did Akbar order one day? Answer is there. So, Akbar drew a line and he ordered to make the line shorter without erasing it. So, I can write like this. Akbar drew a line on the floor. He ordered to make the line shorter without erasing it. Another 2 question I'll write another day, but I'll today discuss what did each minister do. How did Birbal make it line shorter? Each minister looked at the line and was puzzled. How did Birbal make the line shorter? Birbal made a longer line, or Birbal drew a longer line under the first one. And he did not touch the first line. So that is the second answer. But today I did not write the two answers. Next day I'll write. Today I have written the first answer. And if you are having any problem, please tell me. So 2 points, so many people, they haven't joined. Let me see who have joined. Ishita Roy, Nihan Chaudhuri, Pratyushna Datta, Purbayan Mondal, Rithojit Ghosh, Samriddha Mondal, Saptarshi Malik, Srestha Ghosh, Sheikh Chand, Firoz Haq, Mohammad Wasim, Snigdha Ghosh, Somagni De, Suzan Parvin. So these are the people. Okay. So those who are having any problem, Samriddha, I know that. If you are having any problem, please tell me. So now please write the question answer. Only one question I have written. Again I am just telling. Akbar drew a line on the floor. He ordered to make the line shorter without erasing it. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, beta? Okay, okay. Susan, I will just report against the Nihan. Okay, Nihan, why did you do like this? Okay. Thank you, beta. Have a nice day. Susan, I will just tell against Nihan. Okay. Thank you, beta.